Welcome to Introduction to Programming. This course is geared toward those with absolutely no programming knowledge or experience. In this course, you'll learn the basic concepts of programming, how to run and debug source code, identify elements of a programming language, interpret data types, store data in collections, and follow the order of execution for a computer program. This course is not focused on any one specific computer language. Your instructor will use examples from JavaScript, C#, Python, and several other languages. This course will prepare you to take Global Knowledge's language-specific follow-on courses by allowing you to not only learn the concepts, but more importantly, to observe the application of those concepts. You'll practice using them and applying them, and finally, verifying that your application was indeed correct. This will give you the foundational knowledge and confidence you need to pursue more advanced programming courses. So if you're ready to lay your basic programming foundation, let's get started.